Sometimes you know very easy English, but in a coffee shop, your mind stops.
Yes, that is true.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia.
I'm Mia.
And I'm Max.
Today we are talking about ordering coffee in English.
Yes, this is a very common situation
Very common.
and very useful.
Yes, because many people go to a coffee shop.
That's right. Maybe you want coffee, maybe you want tea.
You want coffee.
Yes, that is true.
You always want coffee.
And you always want tea.
Yes, tea is nice.
Coffee is faster.
Maybe for you.
Maybe. And before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, please do that.
Okay, let's start.
Let's do it.
So, Mia, imagine this. You walk into a coffee shop.
Okay.
You are a little nervous,
Yes.
but you want to order in English.
Yes.
What is the first thing you can say?
Maybe hello?
Yes, very good. You can say hello.
That is easy.
Very easy. You can also say hi.
Yes.
And then the worker may say, "Hi, what can I get for you?"
Yes, that is a very common question.
Very common.
Or maybe, what would you like?
Exactly. Also very common.
So first, I say hello.
Yes.
And then the worker says, what can I get for you?
Right.
And then I answer.
Yes, that is the order.
Simple.
Very simple. So what can you say?
Maybe, can I have a coffee, please?
Perfect. That is a very good beginner sentence.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes. Or, I'd like a coffee, please.
Is that polite?
Yes, very polite.
So both are good.
Yes, both are good.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Exactly.
I think can I have is easy.
Yes, very easy and very useful.
Good.
But in a coffee shop, sometimes you need more information.
Yes, not only coffee.
Right, because the worker may ask, what kind of coffee?
Ah, yes.
So let's talk about coffee type.
Okay.
Maybe you want a latte.
I like lattes.
Maybe a cappuccino.
Nice.
Maybe an Americano.
Also nice.
Maybe just black coffee.
Very simple.
So you can say, can I have a latte, please?
Or, I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Exactly.
Can I say, can I have an Americano, please?
Yes, very good.
Okay, so first, greeting, then order.
Yes, greeting, then order.
Hello?
Perfect.
But what if the worker asks more questions?
Good question. That happens a lot.
Yes.
The worker may ask, what size?
Ah, yes. Small, medium, large.
Exactly.
This is important.
Very important. So maybe the worker says, what size would you like?
And I can say, small, please.
Yes.
Or medium, please.
Yes.
Or large, please.
Exactly.
Very simple.
Very simple. Let's make a full order.
Okay.
Hello, can I have a latte, please?
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
That sounds easy.
Because it is easy.
Good.
Now, another common question is about temperature.
Hot or iced?
Yes, very common.
I like iced drinks sometimes.
I know.
And you like hot coffee?
Yes, hot coffee always.
Always.
So the worker may ask hot or iced.
And I can say, hot, please.
Yes,
Or iced, please.
exactly.
Can I also say, an iced latte, please?
Yes, that is very natural.
Good.
So now we can build a bigger order.
Yes.
Hello, can I have an iced latte, please?
What size?
medium, please.
Very good.
Or you can say everything together.
Really?
Yes, you can say, can I have a medium iced latte, please?
Oh, I see.
That is also good.
So both are okay.
Yes, both are okay.
Slow way or one sentence?
Exactly. Slow way is very good for beginners.
I like the slow way.
Yes, no problem.
I need tea and slow English.
I need coffee and short lines.
That is true.
Now, let's talk about snacks.
Yes, because many people want coffee and something to eat.
Exactly. Maybe a muffin.
Nice.
Maybe a cookie.
Very nice.
Maybe a sandwich.
Good.
Maybe a croissant.
I like that.
So, after your coffee order, you can add a snack.
How?
You can say, and a muffin, please.
Ah, easy.
Very easy.
So, can I have a medium hot latte, please? And a muffin, please?
Perfect.
Or, and a cookie, please?
Yes.
Or, and a croissant, please?
Exactly.
This is useful.
Very useful.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
What if I want to ask first?
Good question.
Maybe I do not see the snacks clearly.
Yes, then you can ask, what snacks do you have?
Oh, good.
Very useful. Or, do you have sandwiches?
That is easy too.
Yes, very easy.
So I can ask simple questions.
Of course.
That helps.
Now, another big question in coffee shops is this: for here or to go?
Yes, I hear that a lot.
Very often.
And some learners do not understand this.
That's true.
So what does it mean?
For here means you stay in the coffee shop.
Okay.
To go means you take it with you.
Ah, yes.
Sometimes people also say takeaway,
Good to know.
but for here or to go is very common.
So if I stay, I say, for here, please.
Yes,
If I leave, I say, to go, please.
exactly.
Very simple.
Let's practice.
Okay.
Can I have a small cappuccino, please?
Sure, for here or to go.
To go, please.
Good.
Now you do one.
Hello, I'd like an iced Americano, please.
What size?
Large, please.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Very good.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about payment.
Yes, very important.
Very important. Because after you order, the worker may tell you the price.
Maybe that's $5.
Yes, or that'll be $5.
And then I pay.
Exactly.
What can I say?
You can say, here you go.
Ah, yes.
Very common when you give money or a card.
Here you go.
Yes. Or if you want to ask about card, you can say, can I pay by card?
Very useful.
Or can I pay with card?
Also good.
Yes, also good.
What about cash?
You can say, can I pay in cash?
Okay.
Or just give the money and say, here you go.
Simple.
Very simple.
What if I want to ask, do you take card?
Yes, that is also very natural.
Good.
And maybe the worker asks, cash or card?
And I say, card, please.
Yes,
Or cash.
exactly.
This is easy when we say it slowly.
That is the idea. Slow is good.
Calm practice is better.
Yes, very true.
Now, I want to ask about changing the drink.
Good. Customization.
Yes, sometimes I want soy milk,
Very common.
or oat milk,
Yes,
or no sugar.
exactly. These are customization requests.
That sounds a little difficult.
A little, but we can make it simple.
Okay,
You can say, can I have oat milk?
good,
Or can I have soy milk?
easy,
You can also say, no sugar, please.
very easy.
Or, can I have it without sugar?
Oh, that is useful.
Yes, very useful.
What about extra sugar?
You can say, can I have extra sugar?
Okay,
Or maybe, Can I have one more shot of espresso?
That is for strong coffee people,
Yes, for coffee people.
not for tea people.
Tea people are calm,
Coffee people are fast.
sometimes too fast.
That is true.
Let's do a longer example.
Okay.
Hello, can I have a medium hot latte, please?
Sure.
Can I have oat milk?
Yes, of course.
And no sugar, please.
Good. That sounds real.
Because it is real.
Can I also say, can I get almond milk?
Yes, very good.
So, can I have and can I get are both okay?
Yes, both are common.
Good.
Now let's talk about simple follow-up questions.
Yes, because the worker may ask more things.
Exactly. Maybe anything else?
Ah, yes.
Very common.
And then I can say, yes, a cookie, please.
Yes.
Or, no, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect. That is a very useful sentence.
No, that's all. Thank you.
Yes, very natural.
What are other follow-up questions?
Maybe the worker asks, would you like sugar?
And I can say, yes, please, or no, thank you.
Exactly.
Maybe the worker asks, would you like anything to eat?
Yes, very common.
And I can say, yes, a muffin, please,
Right.
or no, thank you.
Exactly.
Can the worker ask my name?
Yes, sometimes for the cup.
Oh, yes.
They may ask, what's your name?
And I say, Mia,
Yes, simple.
or my name is Mia.
Exactly.
Good.
Now, let's do one full coffee shop conversation from the beginning.
Yes, let's do that.
I am the worker.
Okay, I am the customer.
Hello, what can I get for you?
Hello, can I have a medium iced latte, please?
Sure. Would you like regular milk?
Can I have oat milk?
Yes, of course. Anything else?
Yes, a cookie, please.
Okay, for here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. That'll be $6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Here you go.
Thank you. What's your name?
Mia.
Okay, Mia. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Very good.
That felt real.
Yes, and the English is not too difficult.
No, it is simple.
Now I will be the customer and you be the worker.
Okay.
Hi, I'd like a small hot cappuccino, please.
Sure. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Anything else?
Yes, a sandwich, please.
Okay. Would you like anything to drink with that?
I already have the cappuccino.
Oh, yes. Sorry.
That's okay.
Tea is slower.
Coffee is faster.
Yes, that is the problem.
Okay, continue.
That'll be $8.
Cash or card?
Card.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Good, very good.
Thank you.
So let's review a little.
Yes.
First, greeting.
Hello. Hi.
Then order.
Can I have a latte, please? I'd like a coffee, please.
Then coffee type.
Latte, cappuccino, Americano, black coffee.
Then size.
Small, medium, large.
Then temperature.
Hot or iced.
Then snack add-on.
And a muffin, please. And a cookie, please.
Then the big question.
For here or to go?
And the answers.
For here, please. To go, please.
Then payment.
Can I pay by card? Here you go.
And simple customization.
Can I have oat milk? No sugar, please. Can I have soy milk?
Very good.
This is a lot, but it is still simple.
Yes, and that is good for beginners.
Because you can really use this.
Exactly, you can use this today.
Maybe today with tea?
Maybe today with coffee.
Of course.
Now let's ask the viewers something.
Yes.
Write in the comments, what do you usually order in a coffee shop?
Yes, write 1 or 2 simple sentences.
For example, I usually order a small hot latte.
Or, I like iced coffee and a cookie.
Very good.
We would love to read your comments.
And if this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for being with us.
We hope this was easy and useful.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.